it's FNAF Fox here, and I'm not a swearing channel, so please, so watch. I'm not swearing. I'm not a swearing channel. So here, hold this. I'm asking my sister, hold this one. So this is our cool example of an airplane. So I'll teach you how to make one. Can everyone see?
Yep.
What's she made of? Fold it like this. I'm sorry. One of my friend. Do you know? My other videos, I'm with another YouTuber, Zach Squid King. That was a guy, and he said he's MLG Gamer. Actually, I searched that up, and he is actually not on YouTube. So do not trust that MLG Gamer, okay? The MLG Gamer, 6-year-old kid. The MLG Gamer. And I'm so sorry. I said I have 5 subscribers. I meant 5 likes. So, yeah. Can everyone see?
Yeah.
Me doing it?
Yeah, when you come in your hand. Come in your hands.
I need my hand. Alright, here you go. It's gonna transform into
an airplane.
a plane. Alright. Can you record me? Everyone, can you record? Alright, I'm gonna throw this plane and see how far it goes, okay?
Okay.
Record the plane when I throw it. Whoa! That is cool, right?
I forgot to record it.
Wait, really? You forgot to record it.
Yeah, let's try again.
Yeah. Take 2. Alright, here we go. That was a terrible throw.
Yeah, that's kind of
I
terrible.
know, that was terrible.
It's kind of.
But it's good. This plane's good. Alright, record the plane. Alright, ready?
Okay.
Oh!
Wait a minute.
Oh, and the cookie jar in the face. Oh my God, you are going to do it again. You gotta record it. And I'm gonna watch the video after for myself. Alright, let's see. Take. Let's do it
Take
again.
one.
Take. Woo! Wow! Ah! What?
Okay, bye.
No! Did you seriously end it?
No. Earth.
You. Alright, we're gonna do another throw. We're gonna throw all my airplanes I made. All my.
Oh my gosh.
Alright, record this one first. So this is the one. Alright.
Okay.
That was cool, right?
Yeah. I got in the camera.
Alright, ready? Next one. You should have recorded that. I know, no one saw. It flipped. Alright, record it. Alright, turn around. Turn.
Well, it just went on the chair.
Now, subscribe. Look, punch the subscribe.
Okay, I'm going to end this.
Alright,
Bye.
bye.